Hey everyone, welcome to Second Opinion. I'm Alex and today we will be unboxing the ASUS ZenBook14 UX435 that features an 11th gen Intel Core processor and comes with an upgraded ScreenPad 2.0 that also functions as a secondary screen. Now let's not wait any longer and let's unbox this thing. You're greeted with this In Search of Incredible, which is right in front of us. Here's the laptop, but we'll take a look at that later. Here's the warranty card and ScreenPad guide. Then the user and my ASUS guide. It also comes with a USB to Ethernet dongle, your USB-C charger, and finally your laptop sleeve. Now let's take a look at the laptop. We have the pine gray that offers a sleek, minimalist look with a logo on the right. It has a premium aluminum chassis. It's only 16.9mm thin and weighs only 1.19 kilos. This is also available in lilac mist. On the sides, we have an abundant ports despite its size. On the right, we have a micro SD reader, headphone jack, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, and on the left, we have two Thunderbolt 4 that supports display or power delivery, and lastly, an HDMI 2.0. We have an Ergo lift hinge that slightly raises the bottom of the laptop. This should help with cooling and allow the sound from its bottom-mounted speakers to come out more freely. Up front, we have a 4-sided nano edge display that allows for a 92% screen-to-body ratio, and it's also TUV Rainland certified. On the top, we have a 3D IR camera for quick login using Windows facial recognition technology. Under the hood, we have an impressive Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GeForce MX450 graphics, which we will put to test for our full review. It supports a large 1TB storage with a 16GB memory. The i5 variant has the same memory size but has 512GB storage. The device supports a high-capacity 63Wh battery that's expected to last up to 12 hours of battery life on average. Now we have the ScreenPad 2.0, the star of the show. We'll find out in our full review. This is a secondary screen that can also function like a smartphone. It's 5.65 inch wide and we should be able to do a lot of things with this size compared to Apple's Touch Bar. So that's our specs rundown on the ASUS ZenBook14 UX435. It's priced at $79,995 for the i7 variant, while for the i5 it's priced at $64,995. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it on the comment section down below and we'll make sure to answer them on our full review. So please make sure to stay tuned. If you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to follow our Facebook and Instagram pages. I'm Alex and I'll see you guys soon.